Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Quess Corporation Limited. I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Let us analyze the swing trade in this video. This is the monthly chart of Quess Corporation Limited. So look at the listing. On the listing, the stock listed usually, but after listing, it gave a big up move, which is almost 140% upside, and suddenly after a small distribution zone, look at the distribution happened here. The zone was happened for more than 6 months. After the 6 months, the stock gave a breakout here. After the breakout, the stock fell drastically to the price range of 198, and currently the stock is at 816, which is around the midway of the top to bottom, and currently the stock broke the major resistance area, so we can use this opportunity to go long in the stock. So after bottoming here, the stock took a gigantic up move and gave a fantastic return to its investors. The return is almost 200% upside from the low of COVID hit. And now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart in further. So this is the weekly chart of Quess Corporation Limited. Let me draw the major zone area that governs this stock. So this can be taken as the major zone area because look at the area here. It acted as a support after a breakout here. Then it took a good up move, and once again it took a huge candle for breaking this level. So we can consider this as a good support level. After the support level, it took a retracement here and it came here, and somehow it bottomed here and took a retracement. Then it started falling to the lower prices. So we can take this area as the good range of support and resistance. So we can call it as a major confluence area of the stock. So currently the stock is above the major resistance area, so this can be taken as the major resistance. Now it's currently considered as a support because the stock is closed above the confluence area. When the resistance was broken, then it can be taken as a support level for the stock. So currently the stock is above the support level, so the stock may give a fantastic return to its investor. The stock has potential to move to the all-time high, which is around 1200 price range. Now let's move to the daily chart. But before moving to the daily chart, subscribe to our Tamil channel. I have given the link below in the description, and feel free to comment below and hit like button if you like the video. And now let's move to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart of Quess Corporation. The stock also shows a pattern which can be taken as the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Currently the stock is above the neckline, so one can consider the dip of the head of the inverted head and shoulder pattern as the target for the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So we can take the dip here. So one can take this as a target. So one can expect the target of 60% up move from the current market price. If the stock moves up after a good retracement or a small accumulation zone, this will be a fantastic uptrend stock. One can go swing trade for time period of more than 4 weeks. I think it may take some time. After a small bit of accumulation, the stock may move up, because look at the candles here. This is the daily candle. So after hitting the resistance here, the stock came below to the price range of 554, but the buyers didn't allow the stock to fall below such range, and here is a morning star pattern. So the stock, after forming a morning star, it gave a fantastic return to the previous high. So the stock now it gave a good breakout the candle is very good, but the sellers are quite strong, so one should be cautious before taking trade. But the volume is fantastic, so one can go long. So after a small consolidation here, the stock will go up, or one can invest currently, and one can make a investment above the 1000 price range, so that you will be saving your cost of averaging, so you can get a low risk I in this stock. And the entry is above 884 level, and one can expect the target of 1400 level. 1400 can be taken as a target for the stock. So this is almost 60% upside from the current market price. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.